Hey everyone, it's Mike from OITA, and I'm excited to show you this next feature in Schoology. We looked at in the last video how to send direct messages to students. But what if we wanted to do just an announcement? That's a little different than a message. We need to be able to send an update or a whole class announcement. One that we know everybody will see in the course. So to do that, we need to go into our course. As you can see, I'm already logged in here. Just go into my course. And in my course, you're going to see the second option after materials is updates. I'm going to go ahead and select updates. And it takes me to this screen. The screen should look very familiar. It's got a good editor in here. So some bold, italic underlines, other things that are very common in writing paragraphs, a spell check, always important, font size, and you can also insert comments. So maybe something like final projects due on Friday. You can also, what's really neat is, and this is different too, messages you can't do what I'm about to show you, but updates you can. I can insert content. I can do a link, a symbol, or an equation. So it's very simple, straightforward. So if I insert a link, it's going to be connected to Friday. I copy and pasted my link in, insert, and now I have 2 Fridays, so I'm going to go do a quick little edit here. And then underneath, you see I can add files, so I'm going to add an attachment. I can add a link this way also. And notice when I do it this way, it's a link embed, so I'm going to go back to my Flipgrid here and get that embed code. I can add a resource. I can do that awesome audio video recording. I can add a poll question. Probably need to have a question first. And next to that, I also have the ability to copy. And then all the way next to post, super helpful button by the way, this one next to post. When you click on it, it allows you to mark the course updates as announcements. So then I go ahead and I hit post. So now this will appear for the students. And I just clicked on the Flipgrid link and there it is. Everything is there. If for some reason you made a mistake and you want to change something, you have the ability to just directly remove it, or we'll go back into updates, which we're in. And as you can see, I scroll down just a little. There's a gear. The gear allows me to edit. Edit allows me to change things. We'll add one more. We're all good. So that is updates and announcements. What's neat is the announcement makes it so everybody will see it immediately. And updates is just another update to your course. We'll see you in the next video.